Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the essentials: Android Studio, the app project or APK, and icon assets in PNG or vector formats. You need adaptive icons for Android 8 Plus and multiple density sizes, so prepare 1x, 2x, and 3x images. SVGs are preferable for scaling. Once done, back up the original APK or project. This protects you if something goes wrong. Now open the project in Android Studio, or use APK tool if you're editing a compiled APK. We'll modify resources next. With the project open, replace density-specific files in res/mipmap-ldpi through xxxhdpi and put vector or PNG foreground/background in drawable. Then edit the adaptive icon XML under res/mipmap-pv26. Set the foreground and background drawables, and ensure masks and roundable flags are correct so the system can generate proper shapes. After that, update Android manifest. XML entries for Android, icon and Android, round icon to point to your new resources. Make sure now rebuild the app or re-sign the APK and install it on a test device. Clear the app cache and launcher data before checking the new icon. Test across launchers and Android versions because adaptive icons behave differently. Make sure the foreground layers are transparent where intended. If the icon still shows old art or a generic silhouette, verify resource names, confirm XML references, and ensure all density buckets exist. If editing a compiled APK, sign it correctly. Otherwise, Android will reject installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.